Here we are at Natural Transplants, and Tim came in for his 4-month checkup. Tim, how are you doing?
Doing really well.
And over the past 4 months, what have you experienced from the last time we saw you to today?
It's been fabulous. You know, growth, you can see it, it's obvious. Not a lot of pain, no regrets. It's good.
And are you doing anything different now than you were prior to the procedure?
I'm not obsessing over my bald head.
And what does your significant other think about it?
She loves it. Everyone. I mean, some of the guys at work are kind of busting my chops at first because I tell everybody, you know, and now they're, whoa, check it out. You know, it's obvious to them.
So as we see, we went ahead and we reinforced his front hairline, and he's got great hair, just a good thick hair. And we also went ahead, and this is only 4 months. He had nothing back here, which you'll see. And now he's beginning to actually show the hair growth. And once this thickens up, Tim will definitely feel more secure with his crown, and especially the front, which is what he sees every morning in the mirror. Any suggestions or recommendations for people who are interested in getting a hair transplant?
Like I said last time, don't hesitate. If it's a problem, you can fix it. It works. I've been waiting for a long time for something that'll work, and this is it.
Well, Tim, it's still a pleasure, and we look forward to the coming back in 2 or 3 months or 4 months, whatever we have an open door policy, so keep on visiting us here at Natural Transplants, and thanks so much.
Right on.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.